In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the error compiling movie export error in Adobe Premiere Pro when you're trying to export your project. First, when you see the error message pop up during export, click on the OK button to close the message. Now, you'll be back in the export settings screen. You don't need to change anything in most areas, so let's focus on the Video tab. So what you need to do is click on this little arrow next to the Video tab to open the video settings. Now you will see a button titled More. You need to click on it. When you click on it, you will see a lot more options. Scroll down to find the section called Encoding Settings. Here, look for the option that says Performance. By default, it's usually set to Hardware Encoding. We're going to change that. Click on Hardware Encoding and select Software Encoding instead. It's worth mentioning that the quality of your rendered video will be less, but this option is way more stable than Hardware Encoding, and it will also help you fix your error. Once you've made that change, go ahead and click Export again. Your project should export without any issues now. That's it for this quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.